Meanwhile, the Japanese girl group Baby Metal will visit the Philippines to hold a concert in the country. The details on the entertainment news on Sam Martez's report.
For the very first time, the Japanese girl band Baby Metal will be visiting the Philippines for their upcoming concert in the country. This was announced by Pulp Word on their social media account, where a video shows that the group expressing their excitement. It was led by their lead vocalist Suzuka Nakamoto, Moa Kikuchi, and Momoko Okazaki.
To Montreal for the very first time on October 8th. We can't wait to see you all in the peak. See you!
The group started in 2010 and became known for their popular songs such as Gimme Chocolate, Road of Resistance, Brand New Day, and many more. As of now, VIP tickets are sold out and there are only few tickets left, which can be purchased for 3,000 pesos up to 10,000 pesos. Meanwhile, the Baby Metal concert will take place this coming October 8, 2025 at the Araneta Coliseum. This is Sam Martos for your TV Showbiz News.